Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the creation of computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence, such as recognizing images, understanding spoken language, or making decisions. AI involves teaching computers how to learn from data and improve their performance over time. For example, you may have used a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, which uses AI to understand and respond to your spoken commands. AI is also used in recommendation systems on websites like Amazon or Netflix, which suggest products or movies based on your previous searches or viewing history. AI can be divided into several types, including machine learning, which involves training machines to recognize patterns in data, and natural language processing, which enables machines to understand and respond to human language. AI is used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment, to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and provide personalized experiences. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made many impressive achievements and has many practical use cases in our daily lives. Here are a few examples. 1. Personal assistants. AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google. Assistants are now common in many households. They can help you schedule appointments, play music, and even order groceries. 2. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are developing self-driving cars that use AI to recognize objects and make decisions based on their surroundings. 3. Healthcare. AI is being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to help doctors diagnose diseases like cancer. It is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans for patients. 4. Fraud detection. AI is used to detect fraudulent activities in banking and finance industries. It analyzes large amounts of data to detect suspicious transactions and patterns. 5. Language translation. AI-powered language translation tools, such as Google Translate, can instantly translate text from one language to another. 6. Recommendation systems. E-commerce platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations for products or movies. 7. Gaming. AI has been used to develop intelligent game opponents that can adapt and learn from the player's behavior. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and provide personalized experiences in many different industries.